All right, Rita. We already know that c of x is x cubed, and so x and c of x. So if you haven't been with us, x, and this is just a fancy way of saying the y, right? And so we have these filled out, 0, 0, 1, 1, and Rita, if you put in 2, what do you get? 8. So, Rita, I have a question for you. The d affects which one, the x or the y's? And what do you do to the y value? We're going to add the d value, which is adding 5. So plus d plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And so now basically you have j of x. So if you add 5 here, Rita, that becomes what? And this one? Go ahead and give me the new coordinates.
0, 5, 26, 2, 13.
Correct. So she was looking at this. Okay. Jocelyn. No, here. Dora. What do I do here for the pink? So k of x tells us to do what? Subtract 5 from here. So now we're going to subtract 5. Right? Because your rule says it's ay plus d. So if you don't have that on your formula sheet, it's 1 over bx. Is it plus c or minus c? Plus c. I think it's minus c. Let me double check for you. It is minus c. So make sure you have that into your notes. That's how Rita knew what to do there. Dora, when you subtract 5, what do you get as your new k of x values? Correct? Go ahead and give me your new coordinates. Huh? Thank you. I meant Dora. So let's go ahead and graph that now. Graph the parent function c of x is already here, x cubed, odd degree function. We've been focusing on that, right? And here is my blue. I have 0, 5, 1, 6. Remember, counting by 2's on the y-axis, and then right 2 up 13. And remember, to get symmetrical points from here, you're basically doing the same thing. You're kind of going right 1, left 1. So in this case, instead of going right and then up, I'm going to go left and then down. So something like that. And then instead of going to the right and then up, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go left 2 and then down 8. So from there, 8 would be kind of like minus 3 maybe. And this is what my graph would look like. And if I graph the one in pink, 0, negative 5, 1, negative 4, and then 2, 3. So from here, you're kind of doing the same thing. Left 1, down kind of like 1. And then instead of going left 1, down 1, we're going to go left 2, left 8. So left 2. I'm still using those reference points. That's how I get the 5th point. So from 5, where was I? 0, negative 5, blah, 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 blah. That'd be negative 13. So class, what happened to our blue graph from the yellow? Did it go up, down, left, right, shrink, flip? It went up 5. Up 5. That's my silly phrase. Add to Y, go high. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm covering up. And this one's going, pink is going which direction? Down 5 units.